MuMasvingo's Ward 7 ahead of by-election. The 7th of September 2025. Vertical bar by a correspondent. ZANU PF has launched an intensive campaign in MuMasvingo's Ward 7 ahead of the by-election set for the 13th of September 2025, with senior party figures expected to descend on the district this weekend to rally support. The ruling party has already announced a mass gathering on Sunday, the 7th of September 2025, at 10 a.m. in Rujiko, where thousands of supporters are anticipated. In a statement, ZANU PF MuMasvingo called on every section of the community to participate, underscoring the importance of the vote to the party's continued dominance in the region. Come in your numbers and show your solidarity as we march together towards a resounding ZANU PF victory. Read the statement, which was widely circulated among party structures. The event will feature Minister of State Security and ZANU PF Politburo Secretary for Security, Lovemore Maduk, as the guest of honor. His attendance is expected to reinforce the seriousness with which the party views the contest. To further boost morale, popular artists ZVAITWA and YeZanu have been lined up to provide live entertainment, an attraction that party organizers hope will draw large crowds from across the district. ZANU PF provincial officials have thrown their weight behind the campaign, openly declaring their support for the party's candidate, Councillor Simbarash Shanhiwa. In their rallying message, they framed the by-election as a critical step in consolidating the party's grip on MuMasvingo. We are mobilizing all our supporters to ensure a decisive victory for our candidate. This by-election is crucial for consolidating ZANU PF's stronghold in MuMasvingo, the statement read. The party further urged local businesses, churches, youth, women's groups, persons with disabilities, vendors, and even school staff and council workers to take part in the mobilization exercise. Forward with ZANU PF, forward with victory, declared the statement, emphasizing unity and discipline as key drivers of electoral success. Political analysts note that while ZANU PF enjoys a long-established dominance in MuMasvingo, the upcoming by-election will be a test of the party's mobilization capacity at grassroots level, amid changing economic conditions and rising public expectations. With the ruling party leaving no stone unturned, the coming days are likely to see heightened political activity across the ward, as all sides jostle to capture the electorate's attention. The by-election on the 13th of September promises to be a closely watched contest, not only for its local significance, but also for what it may signal about the broader political mood in Zimbabwe ahead of future national polls.